on, kids, play! Hi, my little ones. Welcome back to a new video. Today, we will learn and have fun together. We will learn the names of wild animals. Are you ready? Let's start. Can you tell me what you see here? Do you know the names of all these animals? I see a bear. I see a raccoon. What animal do you see? Excellent! You saw an alligator. What else? I see a wolf too. The animals are so happy we will learn together. Look at them. They are jumping, smiling, and having fun. What is this animal? It is a fox.
I am a fox. My name starts with F.
Fox, F-O-X. Let's find the right spot on the puzzle for our little fox. Here? Oops, no! Yes, here! Bravo! Our fox is in the correct spot. Wow! A real fox on our board? That's crazy! Our next animal is, you tell me, what is it?
I am an alligator. My name starts with A.
It starts with the letter A. Yes, an alligator. What color is our alligator? It is green. Where does our alligator go? Can you help me? I can't find it.
I am an alligator. My name starts with A.
My color is green. Place me down in the right spot.
Yes, here. Excellent job.
Remember, my name is Alligator.
Let's move to the next animal. What is this cute little blue animal? It is a bunny.
I am a rabbit, and my name starts with R.
It is a rabbit. Rabbit starts with R. Yes, letter R. Let's find together the right place for our little bunny. Can you find where the rabbit go? No, not there. Maybe here? Yes, I found it. The blue little rabbit goes here.
I can run so fast.
Look again. Who is this big, large, orange animal? Yes, it is a bear. Bear starts with letter B. B for bear. Let's find the bear on the puzzle. Is that where the bear goes? Aha! No, check again. No, not there. Look again. Yes, I think you got it. Good job. The bear goes right there. Here comes our next animal. What is this animal that looks like a wild dog? Yes, it starts with W. Right, wolf, wolf, W-O, elf. What is the color of that animal? It is gray.
Ow!
Where does that gray wolf fit? Do you know? Help me, I am stuck. Yes, excellent. The wolf goes right here. What is this animal?
Hiss.
It is a snake. Snake. Yes, snake. Snake starts with letter S. Let's look for the right spot on the puzzle. Do you see the exact spot? I can't see it. Yes, now I know. Because you helped me. I know now. Yes, right here. Who is this cute orange little animal that we can see in our backyards and in the forest? Yes, it is a squirrel. Squirrels like to eat acorns. Squirrel, just like snake, starts with letter S. Help me find its spot. Where does our squirrel go? Here? No. Can you find where the squirrel go? No, not there. I am not sure about that spot either. Finally, here it is. Place it here. Right, the squirrel goes here. That's the correct spot. Look at this cute animal. Have you seen it before? It is a beaver. Yes, beaver. Beaver starts with letter B. Yes, B for beaver. Let's see where the beaver goes. Can you guess? Yes, easy. The beaver goes here. Right spot. Great job. Who is our final animal?
Chitter chatter.
Black and white, and it starts with letter R. Yes, it is a raccoon. Raccoon. Now we place our raccoon in the correct spot. Easy to find. It is our last spot anyway. Thank you, kids. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and see you soon.